Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explain common Apple gift card activation errors and how to fix them step by step. Step 1. Check the code carefully. Make sure you're entering the 16-digit code exactly as it appears on your Apple gift card. Mistyped letters or numbers are the most common cause of activation errors. Step 2. Verify your Apple ID. Apple gift cards can only be redeemed on a valid Apple ID account. Ensure you are signed in to the correct account before entering the code. Step 3. Check the card status. If the card has already been redeemed or reported lost, it will not work. For physical cards, scratch the back carefully to reveal the full code without damaging it. Step 4. Confirm your region. Some Apple gift cards are region-specific. A card purchased in one country may not work with an Apple ID registered in another country. Step 5. Update your device or app. Make sure your iPhone, iPad, or Mac is running the latest iOS, iPadOS, or macOS versions, and that the App Store or iTunes Store app is up to date. Step 6. Try redeeming on a different device or platform. If the error persists on your iPhone, try redeeming the card using a Mac, iPad, or through the Apple website. Step 7. Contact Apple support. If none of the previous steps work, reach out to Apple with your card details. Their support team can verify the card and help resolve any activation issues. That's it. Following these steps should help you fix Apple gift card activation errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy and helpful step-by-step guides.